Hello and welcome to another video for Cyber Seniors. This video will be explaining YouTube, which is one of the apps downloaded on your iPad. It allows you to watch videos on various topics and even some free movies. To start, locate the app on the iPad and tap on the icon to open it. Here you can see a wide range of videos to choose from. These are just suggested options, but you can also search for others, which we will show later. Each video has a thumbnail, which is the image you see above the title to give you an idea of what each video is about. In the bottom right corner of the thumbnail, you will see a timestamp indicating how long each video is. Underneath the thumbnail is a profile picture for the account that posted the video, as well as the title in black font. Underneath the title, in gray font, is the name of the account that posted the video, as well as how many views the video has and how long ago it was posted. When you find a video you want to watch, click on the thumbnail image and the video will open. You may see an advertisement first, but some you are able to skip. If the ad is skippable, you will see a countdown in the bottom right corner of this video, and when that changes to a skip ads button, you can tap that on the screen to skip the ad and move on to your video. You are able to scroll up and down on the right-hand side of your screen, which will show other related videos you may want to watch. To see any comments people have posted about the video, you can tap the comments section at the bottom of the iPad screen. If you tap anywhere on the part of your screen playing the video, you will see 3 buttons pop up in the middle of the video screen. You will also see an incomplete square in the bottom right corner of the video, which you can tap on to make the video full screen. You can also tap on the video to see a red dot displaying how much of the video you've watched. To fast forward or rewind the video, you can use your fingertip or stylus to select that dot and drag it forward or back. To pause, tap anywhere on the video for the 3 buttons in the center to appear again, and then tap the pause icon in the center. To skip to a new video, tap the button to the right of the pause icon. To go back to your original video, tap the button to the left. To exit full screen, you can place your fingertip or stylus on any part of the video and drag it down. To make it full screen again, you can hit the incomplete square button or drag your stylus up. To completely close the video, exit full screen and use your stylus or fingertip to drag the video down again. You can then tap the X. To search for a video, you will see a magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of your screen. Tapping on it will open a search bar and keyboard. You can then type what you are looking for and options will appear under the search bar. Selecting one of these options will bring you to different videos to choose from. You can then use your fingertip or stylus to scroll through the options and find what you want to watch. If you wanted to watch this cookie recipe, clicking the thumbnail or title next to it will play the video. When you're done watching, you can drag down on the screen and hit the X as mentioned before. To exit your search, you have 2 options. You can click the home button at the bottom of your screen, or click the back button in the top left corner of your screen by the search bar. This will bring you back to the home screen, which is what you will always see when you first open YouTube. Besides the home button, you may also notice the other icons centered at the bottom of your screen. Each one is a different button, and as shown here, tapping on each one will display different categories of videos. Be sure to see the handout for this video to read an explanation of the videos in each tab. YouTube offers videos for just about anything, so it is a great resource and offers lots of entertainment.